Do you have MS? We're going to show you really simple exercises that even my mother can do. My mother has MS and has had it for over 50 years.
We're going to do some warm-ups here, all right? So first what I want you to do is roll your shoulders forward, big circles. Yep, up and around, forward. Do that 10, 20, 30 times. More extensive warm-up if you want. Now I do it reverse. Wherever we do forward, you do backwards. Now the neck circles. Clockwise circles, counterclockwise.
Oh, that was...
That's all right, it's all right, it's all right. You can start either way. I just think clockwise, counterclockwise. It's not a hard and fast rule. Now go back, up and down, straight up and down. And again, like I said, 10s, 20s, 30 times, whatever you feel like comfortable with, whatever you need. If you need a more extensive warm up,
I like to do 30, or tell people to do 30.
Now, side to side. Now, this. You turn side to side. Eyes go in the direction you're turning to. Now, shoulder shrug, let them drop. Just drop, yeah. All these different moves, like I say, 10, 20, 30. I like 30 too. Rehab likes 30. But we ain't gonna do 30 for each one of these. We're just demonstrating. Next, torso twists.
Like this.
Good. Now stretch the tricep. You're not gonna hold it, you're just gonna go back and forth, back and forth.
Like
Right,
this.
left, right, left.
Like this. Oh.
Yep. Just pull, let go, switch. Now when you do this, this is where you're gonna see if you're tight or not. Look at me, see how you're doing? You're looking down? Try to look up the whole time. You're trying to pull that arm back. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want you to look down to get your arm back. I want to stretch that arm back there. All right, now you're gonna do like a back and hamstring, whole posterior chain. We call it forward fold. Some people say hamstring stretch if they're keeping their legs locked, trying to stretch out their hamstrings. But reach forward like you're reaching to the ground, just in that position. And up and down. Go up and down. Because you're making this a warm-up, so you're not trying to have it like a static stretch. Now, put your feet really wide and do that. So if the person is strong enough, they can lift up, or if they're right there, and they need to build strength, they can actually use their arms to push themselves back up if they feel like they have trouble getting up. Good, right there. And in both of those, you can keep the legs straight. So, any variation
Like this.
that you feel is better. Or have them right in front of you.
Yeah, that's more of a stretch.
We have some maybe novel moves here for you. You're gonna do bicep curls, excuse me, while at the same time doing leg extensions. So let's see it. Curling. So it's almost like the marching move while you're curling the arms up too. But you're extending the leg out. Now let's see you do some weights in your hand. Make it harder. So these are all more or less accessible to somebody in a chair.
Yeah.
Right there, good. Now you're gonna do some seated presses, the shoulder pressing motion, while marching, doing the marching motion. Go ahead. Extend them arms out. The challenge is to stay balanced.
Coordinated.
It's gonna be hard for a lot of people. But that's okay. You're not going to get better. You're not going to improve at all without some challenge. Now let me see you do it with those weights in your hand. Now what you're going to do is kind of zigzag, stretch in each opposite direction. So one arm's going up, one leg's going out in the other direction. Let's see.
Like that?
Yes. You can brace yourself with that other hand, it's fine. I was going to say, do not get the... You have the 50-50 chance of being right.
Yeah.
Now you're going to do some manual dexterity type moves, some hand exercises, some finger exercises.
Yeah, take your hands, and it's a whole process. Close, make a fist, then open, slide up, make a bear claw, and after that, finger taps.
Do it again.
And repeat. Bear claw, finger taps. And this helps your manual dexterity.
Good. All right, now what you're gonna do, it's gonna be something for your abdominals, your obliques, your core muscles. So when you're sitting there like this, put your feet wide, as wide as you can have them. For a stable base, right? They don't have to be super wide like that, but wider than you would normally sit. All right, now up tall. You're gonna lean side to side. You're trying to use the muscles in your trunk to pull yourself back up, not your arms, if you can help it. Make sense? You're leaning side to side. Having your feet wide gives you a firm base to make those muscles work and not worry like slipping sideways out of the chair. Now this one, the opposite, you can brace yourself with your hands. And if you have armrests on the chair, you can do that too. But just hold on tight, sit up tall. You're gonna do knee raises in the chair. So you're trying to get your knees up as high as possible, both at the same time. No, at the same time, both of them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, come down every time, yeah. Come down and touch every time. You can come down, make the feet flat every time, that's fine. Get them high. Get them high. You want to hold on to make the abdominals work. You're not trying to use your arms to push yourself up and down. You're just holding on. All right, this next one, it's like the leg extension, but what you'll do is you'll extend the leg out and then you'll raise it as high as you can get it. Yeah, and back down. No, back down every time. You could do all one leg, all the other, but I don't like that. I want you to go back and forth. Hold on, sit up tall, extend the leg out, and raise it as high as you can get it. If your hamstrings, lower back, glutes, calves are tight or those abdominals are weak, it's not going to go very high. Just work at it. Now we're going to work the opposite side of your trunk, the posterior chain, your back. So what you're going to do is put your feet kind of close together, right? Stop, move your hands. Yeah. And you're going to, while keeping your back straight, lean over as far as you can go. Now, if you have a problem getting up, you can use your hands, but you're trying to make your back work. If you can touch the ground, that's fine. Once you get pretty good at doing it with a pretty flat back, now what I want you to do is let your back round and touch the floor, or if you can, and then come all the way up. Good. Now what you're going to do is you'll take your feet and put them kind of wide apart, like a little sumo stance, not super wide. Now you have your hands in the middle, and you're going to do the same thing, back flat, reach the floor. Or as close as you can get. You can get palms flat. That'd be great. Now let your back round. Just reach the floor. And it's coming all the way up every time. It's good. Now you're going to do some lower body exercises. Let's do leg extensions. So extend the legs straight out.
Like that.
Yep. There you go. Now stop. Grab onto the chair. Let's make it real hard. See if you can sit straight up and down and do both legs at the same time. Back and forth. Yeah, don't hold it. That's gonna be hard. That's gonna be advanced. That's gonna be hard. Now we're gonna do some foot drags, foot slides for your hamstrings, the back of your legs. So extend the legs out, and the foot can stay flat the whole time or on the heels, it doesn't matter. And just drag them back. And forth. Now this works better. You're on that stand, there's a lot of friction. This works better if you have shoes on or no shoes. You can have socks. If you're on a carpeted floor, or even like a wooden floor or a laminate floor, that'd be really good for like socks. Because your feet can slide.
Yeah.
You have too much friction right now, so you can't. And we have gliders downstairs where we could use it, and you could do that. Now we're gonna do adduction and abduction. So adduction, ADD, is pulling your legs in, like those machines you see at the gym. And abduction is pushing your legs apart. So you're gonna do the first one, the adduction. Have your feet a little bit wide. I mean, your knees like let them splay out, but your feet kind of together. Now, hands on the inside of the thighs. Pull them apart as you pull your legs together. As you pull your legs together, but resist it. So you use your hands for some resistance. In lieu of like having like a band, or if you don't have the machine, you're trying to use your arms as resistance. Now you're gonna do the opposite. Feet together, legs together, and you're gonna push while you're trying to push the knees out. Same thing if you had a band or a machine. Adduction and abduction. Now we're gonna work the lower leg, heel raises, toe raises, calves and tibialis, and every other little tiny muscles you got down there. All right, let's see it.
Yeah,
Just go back and forth, back and forth. Probably the toe raise, that one right there is gonna be weaker than the calf raise. Really focus on it. At least at first, keep your feet straight ahead and try to raise those toes as high as you can get them. That's good, right there.
Okay, do these exercises every single day, slow and controlled.
Now, for how long would you say do them every single day? A month? At least a month?
At least a month until you get better. And once you get better, we have more exercises coming.
Yes, everybody has different rates of progress, slower, faster. If you feel like you need more time, do them a little bit longer. It's fine. And yes, don't speed through them. Go slowly.
Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. It helps us out and will help you out as well.